Disney World Cooking Show, episode 4. Nailed it.
That's fine.
Landon asked to make a Disney World Cooking Show video, didn't you? So we're gonna be doing it from the Delish. If you haven't guessed already, it will be Toy Story themed. We are doing Woody's Lunchbox, Totchos, vegetarian style. So I made vegetarian chili about 2 weeks ago and I had some frozen in the freezer. It's defrosted. So we are gonna make some delicious tachos. Are you ready, Landon?
Yep. I'm not ready. I'm just
Are you ready, Jessie?
ready.
We-
Yeah.
We need chili, which I'm gonna heat up. We need queso, which I got from Wegmans, which I need to heat up. Frozen potato tots, tater tots, are cooking right now. We need corn chips, Fritos, some shredded cheddar, some sour cream, and 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced green onions, which Jessie is gonna cut up for us, aren't you? Let's get going. Someone gave me the trick when kids are cutting to put a towel underneath so the board doesn't slip as much. Can you cut these for me?
Sure.
You hold them with your left hand, and then you want to cut with your right, Jessie. Good work.
Yeah, can I eat these?
Yeah, you can try it. Just you and I eating it. We don't have to worry about family germs. Is it good? You just want to cut it up as much as you can. Wegmans queso. I feel like it's like the best queso I've ever had. You know what's not on there, but we need to add?
What?
Hot sauce. Oh, don't rub your eyes after you touch onions, honey.
Onions make me cry.
They do make you cry when you cut them up. You want mommy to cut them for you? Yeah?
I think they make you cry.
Yeah, they do. Don't rub your eyes though after you cut them.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe scissors would be better for these.
No, you're starting to cry.
I am starting to cry. That's the goal. So we have never eaten at Woody's Lunchbox because it's been too crowded. But it's right across from Airland's Swirling Saucer and Slinky Dog.
Yeehaw!
Can't eat them, okay? They're real hot. They're right hot, Jessie. Ooh, don't touch them, okay?
Oh, I touched him.
Like a 1/4 cup. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Chili. Yeah.
Is that mine or is that yours?
We're gonna share it. Queso. 1/4 cup. Oh, yeah. Shredded cheddar cheese on top of all this goodness. A dollop of daisy. Okay, now we need your magic green onions on top. Oh, beautiful.
And now hot sauce?
Yeah, sprinkle it away. Jessie, you are a culinary genius. Do you get that from your daddy?
Yep. I think I'm using a little more hot sauce.
Okay, that's probably enough, Jessie. Okay, here's your water.
Yep, a little more hot
No,
sauce.
baby, that's it.
I need that.
Should we give it a try?
Yep.
Get a little bit of everything.
But here, I don't want it to go. I try put it in the oven though.
Mmm. It's got potatoey and crunchy and creamy, cheesy.
Yum. Yum. I'm gonna try right.
Number 4.
Oh, yum. Let's try this tater tot. Mmm.
You like
I
it,
love
Jesse?
Timmy. Yep.
You like Totchos?
Yep. Also, it's yummy in the fork.
Thumbs up.
Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you for watching, and be sure to come back and check out another Disney World
Day.
cooking show.
Cooking show.
Wonder what we'll make next. What do you think we'll make?
Mickey cookies.
You want to make Mickey cookies? We can make Mickey waffles.
Mmm. Sounds yummy.
Mmm. Okay.
Okay.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Like it?
Mm-hmm.
Can't go wrong with like carbs and cheese.
Mm-hmm. What can you... Wait! Eat it!
What are you eating?
Look at my hat.
Let me fix it for you.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna say, what do we say?
Disney World Cooking Show.
Episode,
5.
I think it's 4, right? Is it 5?
Yeah.
Oh no, now I have to check.